Another side of me, I like to get it poppin', but these bitches in my business cut me off to choosing violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. In the bedroom, I be screaming, but outside I keep it quiet. You know what I'm saying?
I'm gonna make some shake. Yo, let's do an outfit check. Look at the fits. Look at
Yeah. Give it to me now. 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 I wanna lick you from your head to your toes, and I wanna move from the bed down to the floor, and I wanna you make it so good I don't wanna leave, but I gotta know what's your fancy.
I wanna lick you from your head to your toes, and I wanna move from the bed down to the floor, when I wanna you make it so good I don't wanna leave, but I gotta know what's your fancy.
I wanna get you in the Georgia Dome on a 50-yard line while the dirty birds kick the tree. And if you like it in the club, we can do it in the DJ booth or in the back of the VIP. Whipped cream with cherries and strawberries on top. Nigga, don't stop. You can don't lock, don't knock while the boat rock. We go bots and robots, so they gotta wait till the show stops. But how about on the beach with black sand?
Y'all, Jordan did my brows when I went back home. Alright, y'all, now I'm done my face care, y'all. Hey, y'all, long time no talk. I really didn't want to talk over my face care because I feel like I always do that in my videos. Y'all, it is so time for this hair to come out. And it's like literally, I had a ball. I just got home yesterday from my hometown, Cleveland. What is that? Cleveland. And I'm just trying to get back on track. My girl finally did my brows, y'all. When I said I couldn't get in with Jordan to save my life, my girl kept canceling me. I'm gonna keep it a bean. She kept canceling you, girl. She's like, I just been trying to get in. And I'm like, I know I moved out of town, but I know for a fact, feel me? I was a loyal customer, you feel me? Always came on time. Always followed all the rules. And you keep canceling me. She's like, I'm so sorry. You're one of my favorite clients. Because, girl, like, you know what? I'm about to stop going. I ain't going to go to it when I get home. Like, I still be trying to go to my people that I used to go to when I was at home. Y'all might hurt you so bad. Excuse me. Track slipping. Real hair done, y'all. But I'm not doing nothing to this hair. I'm about to put my hairband. But yes, I'm going to get ready for the gym. Well, I'm getting ready for the gym. I've been trying to work it on making sure if I touch it, I put it right back. Because who about to keep on having to just clean up? Let me go get a hit, man. Now, I think this is a cute color with this. So we're going to put this on today. But how y'all been? Y'all, motherhood just been motherhooding. My baby is actually at her grandma's house back in Cleveland. So, I'm about to take this off. I'm just getting a little me time in as usual. One thing about me though, I want to always get my me time in. I never played about that. I'm going to always make sure I'm not doing shit to this hair. This shit can actually come out tomorrow. I always make sure, baby, I make time to pour into myself, you know? I never played that shit. I don't really want to do too much because I'm going to have to fix it after the gym for work. But I'm going to just Put some curls in there. But I never played about my me time. I'm not even gonna lie. Like, I always made sure that I got my time in for myself. Y'all absolutely love this hairstyle. Like, for real. But I can't do the leave out for too long. I got to about 4 o'clock. Right now it is 10:30. I got to about 4 o'clock before I got to start getting ready for work. And I got a few things that I want to do. I still got to go to the gym. I still want to walk. Get my walk in. And, yeah, I'm doing all this right now. I honestly might put on a goddamn clip on my head. Because I don't want to wet it. I don't want to do one of this. My track's so loose, baby. If I try to comb too much, they're going to come out. I did the, what is it called? What method is that? With the strips. And I put on the cap. So that means the damn hair is burning on my head. But this is it. Whatever. My shit looked good this weekend. But yeah. That's for me not wrapping it up like I usually do. This is like 3 different curls in my head. Let me see. I don't look that bad. Oh, good catch. Let me unplug this. I ain't got time to do. I made this powder a long time ago. It's like one of the Dollar Tree hacks. And I barely ever use it. We gonna use it today in my little sweaty areas. Sweat the most. Oh, I want to take it on my shirt. I'm gonna make some tea. I absolutely love my spray-on deodorants. I gotta eat breakfast. Ooh. Do I look a different size from my last video? You know, leave some comments, y'all. Cause look at your girl, like the back row slimming down. You know, the stomach, we still working on that, y'all. But I've been in that kitchen. When I say I've been like trying to make sure that I eat good and eat right and shit like that. Yeah, I gotta pack an order. Today gonna be like a quick vlog because I don't really have much to, sorry. I don't really have much that needs to be done. But this is my work area where I do my hair, I do my clients' hair in here. I make my wigs in here, pack my orders in here, and all that type of good stuff. I'm gonna make some shake. Oh, let me go get this switch. So I do the pack, print out the paper of what she got. And then I do actually got me a new thermal heat press that my man got me, but I haven't hooked it up yet. And I really don't like putting my man got me this shawl. I wish you could have got my favorite color, but whatever. Look at this one. I'm gonna make some shape. Oh, this is actually a transparent frontal. It's really good frontal. It's not HD, but she actually loved the transparent frontal. They're really, really good. So let me put this on there. Yo, I'm not gonna mess the lace up because this is like the part that they're gonna cut off. So I put it very, very close to the end. And I should have rolled on it first, but let's see what is not working. I need to go through all these pins and throw them out if it's not working. Yo, that's my alarm to take my medicine. Straight, frontal, transparent, 18-inch. So y'all see, I put it on the. Let me turn the light on. That was dark. I put it on the end of the lace. I'm gonna fold it like that. My hand's ashy. But honestly, I do not like wearing lotion to the gym because I sweat. Your girl sweats. And it's too hot. This sweat should be too hot. They had it folded. They had it folded like this. Oh, they had it folded with the lace on the outside. I don't want it to look all ugly in the package. Okay, well, whatever. So I usually pack my orders in this bag. But she literally don't have nothing but like it's just gonna be a waste of the bag. I'm gonna fold it up double time. I'm going to put this in here. We have the nice thank you card. And I usually put like a little oil in there. But she's not gonna do that. I do that usually with the bundles. Oh, and her, did I do it? Expensive. That's why I got a thermal printer because who in the I just did the same thing. Like, why would I do that? Okay. There we go, y'all. I'm just yes, but he got my keys at his job and I have to go pick them up. Oh. And I have to go pick them up. And he took about drop his bike, his three-wheeler. Now y'all, I only drove that three-wheeler from home to the gym. The gym is like 7 minutes. The gym is literally like 7 freaking minutes, so I'm actually a little nervous. I have never drove that far. And then her packing slip. Now, usually I print out my shipping label here because I get a deal from doing it online. But it has my current address on there, and I don't want my current address to be on there. So I have my mom address on there. And that's usually where I send it to if like somebody wanted to do a refund, somebody wanted to send it back. Just take it to my mom so I can try to have some hair in Cleveland because I have no hair in Cleveland. Actually, right now I do have some, what are they called? Some closures that I left there when I just was there for my sister to use for her clients if they can buy, or for somebody to come pick them up. But I don't got no windows there. I don't. My sister got a lot going on and I'll be able to keep up with that. So now that I am done packing my order, I'm about to go eat breakfast. I actually gotta take my medicine. So let me look out. I don't. I'll be right back. All right. I definitely need some pre-workout today. It's just the one I use. Well, actually, you don't even have basically. So pre-workout today. I'm actually just because I haven't been to the gym since I went on vacation, and I even took gym clothes, but it was raining so bad. It was so cold. Let's talk about how fucking cold it was. I'm anemic, baby. I was freezing, body hurting, aching, actually. We're gonna drink this. I really don't like how jittery it make me feel. I should have actually only did a half instead of what the recommended dosage is, because I be really jittery off this, like tingling and all that shit. But I already got me some egg water. I'm about to make me some, I usually always drink this, so I got a question for y'all. I used to always drink my pre-workout, like, while I'm working out. But they always supposed to do it 30 minutes before the workout. And I'm just like, am I getting the full effect of it because I'm drinking it while? And if it's supposed to work 30 minutes after, do I actually really need it? Because I'm not, I don't know. But I'm about to make like one sausage. I wish I had some bananas. I'm gonna try to make it home and cook dinner for me and my man before I go to work. But I literally only got to 4 o'clock. I still have to go drive this damn bike to get my key, take his AirPods, go to the gym, which I'm going to need 2 hours in the gym. I still want to come back and walk to this. I want to still come back and do my walk with my weighted vest. And I should really come in, cook dinner, wash up, get dressed for work. Well, I wouldn't want to chill before work. Don't nobody want to be just moving around. Like, that's irritating. I hate that. Why the fuck would he leave this open like this? Y'all, let's talk about these men, though. So why, anytime like me, when I'm usually, when my baby is here, like, it just be so much going on. So say I'm about to leave out somewhere, I probably leave something. You might not catch me putting my flat irons up right now, or whatever the case may be, or I might cut some hair inside of my hair room and don't clean it up until I get back. What I come here for? That's literally just me, I think, being a mom. Like, I take a long time to get myself ready at that. I'm not about to leave out looking like anything. And then I still gotta get my baby dressed. I still gotta, you know. So, when I went on vacation, my man was like, You left this house messed up. Now mind y'all, I'm the only one in this motherfucker that cleans right. You know? So I'm like, what did I leave messed up? Now mind y'all, I came back in the house the same way it was when I left. Just yapping, like you just talking. But let's just say that I clean after him so badly that, say if he came in and just use an example, he left his work bowl sitting on the counter. I done been moved it, dumped it out and all that, put it in the sink. I'm like, you always leave something. And he'd be like, what'd I leave? I said, well, you would never know because I'm always literally going behind you to clean the shit up. But I can't believe you lie like that. We got this robo vacuum that vacuuming the floor now. When I say that really helps me out having a baby, because my boo will see me cleaning up and I think just go pick up something just to mess it up. And mind you, we got a fucking 5-bedroom house. Whole living room, whole dining room, an office, 3 bathrooms on top of our room too. And I got hella clothes, like, but you will never catch like no piles of clothes, baby clothes stay washed, dishes stay done, kitchen stay clean, house stay clean. I can't believe he said that shit. That shit was funny. I was like a mess. What is a mess? What is a mess? But anyways, y'all, how y'all been? My class start back on May 21st. I'm still in school. And I just don't know. I just feel like life has been going. Time just been flying. What is today? Time has literally just been flying. And I cannot keep up. Hey, y'all, I'm going to call y'all back on my food now. Alright, y'all, I'm back. I had a sausage and an egg. I need to hurry up because my time is like literally running short. And I know I'm going to need a minimum of 2 hours minimum. Like, some days just be harder than others. I need to, I'm trying to think, should I go to the post office first or last, like on my way back home? Probably on the way back home. I gotta ride this bike. I don't think I remember how to ride it. I mean, not how to ride it, how to start it. So just come on. Okay, y'all. I do gotta wear a sweater because y'all know the sun beams. I finally made it to the gym. It is 1:04. I was outside my man's job for 30 minutes waiting for him to come. I was so irritated. But we are at the gym. I'm not taking y'all with me. I work out, so yeah. I'll see y'all when I'm done, and I'll see y'all how long it took me. Okay, y'all, hey, I am back. I was supposed to actually record me getting dressed and all that stuff. It did not work out because I was supposed to work 6 p to 6:30 today, 6:30 a.m. But they ended up canceling me, and this other job actually personally texted me and asked me, can I come in? Now this shift was from 2 to 10, but she didn't text me until about 2:40, and I was at the gym. So I told her like I can be there about 4:30. So I'm on my way there. I may not be able to cook. Hopefully, I'm not gonna be able to cook dinner tonight. I'm not cooking no dinner at 11 o'clock. So I'm gonna have my man come in and cook that dinner. Luckily, I had my clothes out, y'all, so I was able to make it to USPS. I wanted to record that because I didn't get that, and I wanted to record me getting dressed for work, and even when I got done with the gym, but I literally was rushing. I already had my clothes out, so that was cool. Like, that was the fastest I ever got dressed. Got in the shower, did my skincare, clothes was already out. Like, I literally was rushing, and I even had time to make me a protein shake. I didn't eat nothing today but that egg and that sausage this morning, so I'm just gonna fast all day today. Just drink my protein shake and drink water. Eat my protein shake, drink my protein shake, and eat and drink water. And I'm gonna have my man cook our food because I'd rather not cook at 11 and be eating at like 12 o'clock. And I just rather eat late. Eat when I get home rather than cooking too until I get home. Like, I don't got time for that. So yeah. I'm gonna try to vlog when I get home to end it live. But I don't know. It's supposed to be short. But anyways, I did get some gym footage. Well, that's probably gonna be in a clip beforehand. So yes, I'm actually hungry as fuck right now, y'all. But I literally don't have that much time at work. I'm gonna get there at 4:30. I leave at what, like 10:30. So it's not like I can make it for those 4 hours. That's like only 5.5 hours that I'm about to work. But I mean, something's better than nothing. My goal was to make $200 a day, and I sold some hair, and then I'm going to work. So that is well over what I wanted to make. Oh, let me do my intro. Hey y'all, what it do? It's Markeisha and I'm back with another video. Hey y'all, long time no talk. So I will see y'all in a minute. Well, I'll see y'all tonight. I gotta go pop these pills and take care of these residents. And I'm on a lockdown unit today, so yes. Actually, in this week, y'all, I'm gonna be looking for me a job, like an actual job, because I don't have a job. I am an agency worker, so that's why I got canceled. And I'm tired of getting canceled. It's starting to piss me off. But okay, bye. Y'all, so I just got to work. I wanted to show y'all this. Look at this fucking protein shake. I have so many chia seeds in here. I made a mistake and poured so many. That fiber about to fuck me up. But anyways, y'all know the shift started at 2 o'clock, 2:10. Jay was here, which is like, he's one of the manager people. He did all my work for me. I literally have nothing but the 8 o'clock med pass. It's literally 5 o'clock right now, so he did all my TARs. He did all of my sign-offs. He did all of my skin assessments. You know, all my stuff. I literally just have 2 people treatments to do and my 8 o'clock med pass. Like, such an easy day. But I'll definitely see y'all.